Good afternoon. I would like to acknowledge first our host. We have the Pacquiao La Herencia Art Space. So for our venue, and we have the Room 74 for helping us polishing the idea. We have the curatorial notes at the back. Um, then we have the artist helping artists. We have Bagani Fiola and Melona for helping us. So they're a writer and they're all teaching in the university. And well, whether you like it or not, nature has its own way to influence us with our situation. So we extended, sometimes we delay, we're late because of the rain. Nevertheless, for some, you will be happy because of the rain, but some sad because of, the flood. Okay, so I'll explain, I'll make it simple. Okay, so you know what's Ugo? Okay, everybody say Ugo, yeah? Ugo. So when you have, this is vibration of the voice. And it ani is actually harvest. So, siguro, my apologies if we started late. Okay? You have to wait for the others. Filipino, ganun talaga. Chern. Chern is also one of the support from La Herencia, so we do documentation. Okay, so, Melona, Bagani, it's a Char, and so I can see yung curator from La Herencia is not around for a meeting. Okay. And the other group, the Room 74, coming later. Okay? So, yung Tipani, something to do with harvest. So, but, diba, pag September, August, Kadayawan Festival. So, this is the first time also nag-change ang yung calendar. I am a professor and I'm teaching arts administration and Philippine Constitution in Ateneo de Valle University. But on the other hand, I am an art practitioner. Not an expert of upcycling, but still learning. I am still evolving because my works are big, but becoming smaller because of the invitation playing outside Davao City. So, last month I was invited in Ortigas to perform, so I was forced to create a smaller version of that. This is a taisho koto. Supposedly, taisho koto is a Japanese instrument. But this one is no longer functional. I found it in a surplus store. So, naging pakapin na lang itong add-on when you buy something. But it was developed in the 19th century when the Japanese government sent somebody to the West to study about piano or Western music. So, what it did? He invented the taisho koto. So actually, there's a keyboard here. So I'm sorry na I don't have the example for it. Careful. Sige lang, may mga chairs tayo dyan. You can move forward, please. Alright, no? Murag cheap, no? Sigog-sigogi lang, walo-walo, pito-pito. Okay, dito na siya, no? So there are only 4 strings, no? Pero naging aning, no, extra. Then maraming versions. There are 6 strings, 3 strings, and I have a 2-string bass na taisho koto. So big, no? Kaya ang sound niya dum ganyan. So what I did, kasi sira naman siya, I had to invent my own notation. Because I am not a Japanese, I'm a self-taught sound improviser, not even a musician. Because if I am in front of a musician, I don't know how to read notes. But I can play even piano. I'll transform the piano into a percussion instrument. So that's the magic if you're learning outside the box, in the streets of Davao City or Mindanao, to learn to adapt. Okay? I learned my music, my playing the guitar is in the streets. sa kanto-kanto. Siyempre, iba ng panahon ngayon, no? Wala na. Meron na, music school sa kanto. Okay. Anyway, you also learn, I studied ukulele also and banjo, yung 4-year string na. Pero ngayon, nag-evolve na si Uncle Nonoy, si Tito Nonoy, nag-evolve na into sound. I also play the guitar, I also write songs. But because of the limited time, I would rather focus on the interaction later. Okay? Right. So this, I even included, I put some piezo speaker so that people can hear the sound. Okay. On this side, you can see, during the pandemic, imagine I was displaced during the pandemic, 3 years. So I just visited my wife and my family in Santo Tomas, Davao del Norte. After 3 days, they declared closed door. Davao City, and my only tools I have in my motorcycle is a screwdriver, pliers, and a small chisel. And the rest from motorcycle tools. So, and I had to stop. No travel. No. I left my studio, even the house. I request my neighbor to do that. Then remember, so I am now shifting to another space. Everything is online. Then this one is inspired. For the 3 years, I spent with observing the farmers. So this one is inspired by a harvester. Yeah, it's a machine, no? Before people, these are group of people who go to the community and help harvest. But it will take one, depending on the size, 1 hectare, 2 hectares, or more than that, 1 or 2 days. You have to feed them, you have to pay them, more expensive. But syempre, then, the farmers, also the landowners, decided to hire a harvester because of rain. Imagine if they will wait for it to maging ang value ng rice, mura na. So sad because you have to sacrifice other people's work. But on the other side of the coin, siyempre yung mga owners naman, happy sila, they can sell it in a higher price yung kanilang rice. So, na-inspire ako doon sa social. It can be played, meron din siya piezo speaker, pero hindi ko nalalagyan din, mag-feedback siya because of the limited amplifier. But anyway, try natin So, try ko lang i-play no. That's a metronome. They're also found in, I fixed them, I found it, mga... So this one is from metronome also, no? But because take away everything, the plastic. So this is the machine. Just a review, because later we will use this instrument for our performance. So even the sound can be simplified. The movement of the farmers, the machine, sacking the rest, so from the bear, no, na yung the rice into the sack. So I simplified the movement into sound. So with other artists, you'll be able to create imagery of the farmer's life, especially the harvester. Okay, this one is a soundboard. This is one of the first generation soundboard. Yes, yeah, no? So, some people, if they can hear this sound, what do you have in mind? Horror, actually wala naman, but since it was used in a movie or film, pag nakarinig na ganyan, wala na lang agad. So that's the problem with images from the media, nakikita natin na mainstream. Actually, if you play this simple thing, there are 3 things that you will learn how to play this DIY instrument. Sige na, everybody, para try natin. Repetition. Ano yun?
Repetition.
Repetition, ganito lang. Everybody, sabay natin, repeat tayo. You know? Repetition, ano? Stop. Okay, very good. Second is contrast. Contrast, kung movement pa yan, alam natin ito. 1, 2, contrast, one. So, try natin sa music, 1, contrast. Okay, pwede kayo mag-invent na gusto nyo. Dilaw? Okay, contrast na yun. Next is transition. So, you can add something to the voice, ha, he, i, o, anything. So, i-clap natin. Yeah. Ha! Boom! Ho! That's from my belly. Okay. So, meron na yung 3 principles to play the DIY. You repeat, contrast. So, mag-repeat. Example lang, try natin i-apply. Ha? Actually, I also installed musical box so that if I am alone, it can be played also. So cute, no? Pagkatulog, no? Oh, pero if you're alone in the evening, it will play anytime, parang something mysterious. So, oh. However, if you want to explore this, it will be, just have a seat, no? It can also be used for meditation. Because not perfect, but I was trying to imitate some vibrations for relaxation. Pero ito siya pag-uwi. Para hindi ata ma-relax yung iba, no? Pero sa tingin ko, it can be used for healing, no? Baka may mga piang-piang diya. Baka no-realign. Alright. That's the soundboard. So, ayan, mukha siya ng tao, kids. So, para siyang owl, no? So, tingin siya sa ngayon. Ako na lang nag-invent yung story, no? Ayan. So, ito, nakita niyo na ito, kids? Sino gusto mag-engineer dito? Ayan. So, eventually, pag dito nalagay ng mga wires, ito papasok yan para pero malinis naman ito. Next time. I follow nila construction sa school. Imagine kung i-stretch yung iba, tunog niya. No? Pero, wag naman kayong bumili, no? Just to create 1, 6, kami construction. Pwede rin ito i-wrap. Okay? Hindi ko na lang pahiram kayong laway. Kaya natin may idea. This one is a gakit. It's a balsa. Pero this is also a play instrument for kids. This one is a koto. Box of koto. This one is, they don't want to mention, when I ask the Japanese artist, they don't want to describe it because it's for kids daw. But I found it in a Jiangxia, ay nga, surplus store. Wala siya, ito lang stream. Sabi ko nga, hangin mo lang 500 pesos. So, I think I can shorten my work. Imagine, sometimes, wala akong sasakyan, I only use motorcycle. Paano kargahin yan? So I have may smaller version. So ngayon, ito strainer. Ito, hanggang hindi ko pa rin alam ang purpose nito. Do you have any idea? Strainer ba? Ito mga ladle, no? Ito cable from the PLDT wire sa telephone. Ito wiper ng sasakyan. Ayun, kailangan nyo ng wiper sa sasakyan, diba? Oh? May ulan sa bubong matakot, pumapala pa na mabatalaw. Ayan. And, ito, hard disk. Sino may mag-computer dyan, mag-design? siya. Then, paano siya i-play? So, by later, wag lang i-hit itong metronome, ha? You can hit anything except me and this one. But you can use also this one if you are just alone. Yes. Kung pangit ang mugong, ano yung good. Sige, itry natin. Gawa tayo ng lessons sa para yung vibration. Try natin. Try to catch the tension of the kids. Salamin dyan. That's the sound of the gakit, no? I use a looper here, no? Isang gadget to help me play, no? If I am alone. But it can be played simultaneously by 3 to 4 person. Hindi lang siya pwede pang make. But if you want to change the notation from do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, you can also do that. Pero iba ang sound, no? Iba ang notation ng from Japan, from Thailand, from whatever. Pero meron silang familiarity yung the 5 notes, the pentatonic. Kaya sinasabi nila, there's no such thing as modulated voice. Kung ano, hello, ladies and gentlemen, pagkatutin yung Thailand, kailangan sorry, humaki. Hindi naman siya modulated, no? Something western yan. So anyway, so it varies yung voice and sound. Okay. This one, this is a seed shell from a pangit tree. Okay? This one is bamboo. Yung roots ng ano ito? Na-preserve na from salt water. But it will take you 1 month to produce one instrument. Why? You have to dry this for 1 month to come up with this particular texture. At first, it is soaked in the salt water or near the shoreline, dry, exposed to sun. After a month, it will crack. So meaning, it is now ready to be opened. Then you have to take away the stinky smell there, no? The organic. It can be eaten now according. You're going to quote an example from Marilog. a pangit tree during rain and flood will be taken away. Those are lang. So, it can be used to imitate sound of nature. For example, try natin yan. Kuya, parang i-move mo siya slowly, ha? Ay, cellphone natin. Okay, hawakan ko yan. Hawakan na, mabigat yan. So, I play the flute, following tweaks, or water, or leaves. No, sige, kaya din ha. Okay, next. Okay, tabi muna natin ito. Okay. Ready na kayo? Meron akong puppet dito. 1, 2, right. Alright. This one is battle, no? Alam nyo, talagang people can no longer sell this battle daw. They have to grind it, break it, grind it para mix to anything. It can be used for walls, for artistic design, but scientifically, we mix it with hollow blocks. Hindi siya effective. Cannot withstand the pressure ng PSI. So anyway, pero for, siguro artistic, walling, whatever, you can also use this. But for me, I wanted to imitate the sound of the panpipe. But I realized that it's different from a panpipe. It's made of battle. So since I am I call myself para bang an improviser of things, why not retain the sound of each battle to remind us of our ways? For those who have tried Ibugitan Ira, Red Bull, your medicines, kids, mga sakit sa ubo, huwag itambal na siya. But by retaining the 5 notes, 5, I think your parents are familiar with this. What's this? Silver Sword Battle. Kids, wala na, antique na ito. Ang nabutan nila plastic, no? Soy sauce.
Yes.
Okay, have to keep this, no? Kay, iba din ang sound niya. Try mo pahawak, ito yan naman. Ito na lang, para hindi mabigat. Sige, kuya, sige. Like, don't worry, we will match. Sige, kuya. Close lang din lang. Pag music, i-close ang eyes. Di ko nag-anak na. So, ang magiging. Kasi ang music, intangible, dapat i-close your eyes. Kaya nga, pag may concert, kung pwede lang, kumakanta, huwag lang din. Pero, concert sa different thing, kasi multi-sensory siya. Okay lang, wala pang tumutulo. Kasi, pag wala sa ulan, may tumutulo na. Okay. Yan, ang kalaban natin, pag lalakas yan, hindi natin marinig ng sarili natin. So, siguro, i-engage natin sila. Wala. Kape ka. Tatapon ng kape. For example, ito, mga bells, no? Ito, mga basura lang ito, yung mga nag-display ng ito during Christmas, yung mga bells, I found it in the garbage ka. Oy, nilinis ko, di ba? Diba? Kamang taon, September na. Pero some are from indigenous tribes. Ito yung mga pang-baby. I like the sound. Tapo rin mo. Galing yung sound, no? Yan. Play tayo ngayon. What? Right, try natin. Explore natin yung mga bata kaya wala tayong kailangan pang ikulan. Kanina talagang hindi kami nagkalimutan. Explore lang muna tayo ng rhythm na ma'am, pakita natin mabigat eh. Explore lang muna tayo sa mga chasers. Parents, i-request ko kayo yung hawak ng drums. Malilit yung mga bells mo na para hintayin natin. Then, lahat. Sa'yo, ganito. Kuya. Kuya. Kuya, meron akong gadget. Gusto niya yan. Ito sa'yo, kuya. Sige, magyan na ito. Baka pwede third?
Pwede.
Hindi natin. Ito po yan, ito sa legs. No, sa legs. Lift it. Ano yun? Legs ang legs. Yan. Kaya pag... Bakit pa mo yung legs? Ganang gamay-gamay siguro. Ay, kuya. Bakit daw? Mabigat ng Tarbuka. From Turkey. Yan, from London. Kuya, kailangan suspended. Walang cover ang pan. Suspend mo. Huwag mo ipatong sa chair kasi hindi marinig yung sound. Sige lang, okay lang. Mag-vibrate lang. Yan. Piting mo sa legs. Yan. Very good. Okay. Ma'am, di ba dito try mo man? Ay, ito na lang. Maya konti. Ay. Sino pwede kumawa? Kuya na po. Ito. Diba? Ito na, Bit. Sinong pwede nito? Ipakaipiling na parang... Ay, ito na lang tayo, sir. Ay, kailangan natin sabayan siya. Sino po? Kanala sa the later explain. Dali na lang mo, kalag po, dali mo. Dali. Hello. Kulit na lang ka. Ambang ka, ha? Isa direct, isa mo play direct. Tama? Chopstick na.
Dili na lang.
Sino mag-play ito?
Microphone mo. Flag! Ano yung flag? Flag! Sige, magsataan. Ano mo tala? Okay. Kuya, diba?
yan na sir para okay. Pagsa. Okay. Tayo sa ulan. Tayo sa ulan. Okay, silence. So, sa DIY instrument, importante ang silence. Without silence, we cannot hear the sound. Hindi pwede sound lang lang, no? Ha, kapaan, no? So, sound, silence, with tone. No? Okay, unahin muna natin yung... Ayan, ma'am, makikita nyo down. Isa pa. Variation, ma'am. Wala na. Wala? Yeah. Wala bahala si creation nila, ma'am. Ma'am, dali ka. Gusto ka dali? Dali ka, kahit makita na.
Right there, yeah.
Ha? Ayan, ma'am. Ayan, okay. Okay, parang yan sila dyan, ha? Okay, tempo lang mga guys. Tempo, no? 4 beat. 1, 2, 1, 2. Wala lang ang sound na, mauna ka muna. Mauna mo mga shakers, ha? Ready, shake! Ay, na-shake na yan. Wala na, uwi yan, ha? Ready, shake na. Yes. 4 down, 5, 6, go! Stop! Ganda, ha? Pag ganon, stop. Pag sinabi ko ngayon, shake, ha? Stop. Pag ginagawa, no, ako talaga, louder. Slow, ganyan. Ready, shake! Shake lang. Shake mo na kayo, wala pa lang dyan. Wala. Talo tayo niyan, no? Mahuli, mabibisto tayo niyan kung lagi. Silent. Ready? Shake! Okay, good. Tapos, sila kuya, yung may mga tempo, magbigay ng beat. Sabayan nyo. Sige, ikaw na mauna. Every forecast, 1, 2, 3. Malumog siya. Ay na naman. Ano yung usok ko? Okay. Then sila ate, kuya, pasok sila later. First, improvisation music. Lights, camera. Accidental chance music. With kids. Close your eyes, follow the beat. Okay, sige. This time, I need somebody siya ang mag-lead, siya mag-orchestrate. Okay. Sino mag-lead? Bang kuya. Let's try. Sige, try mo. Okay, so this time, si ate siya ang mag-lead sa inyo para mag-lead ng music, ha? You just wait for the instruction of the part. Sige, go. Ay, dito. Ikaw mag-orchestrate. Anong i-hit nila? Ako ay use this instrument. Okay, silence. Silence. Front. Sige, i-dance sila. Marami ang mga bata. 4, 3, 2.
Okay, sino magbigay ng beat?
Ikaw.
Ikaw muna. Ikaw muna sa pan.
Wait, dula lang. Okay, nakabutan tayo ng ulan.
Like a whole note, you know, like one note.
1, 2, 3, 4.
May ano mag
Ito sir. 1, 2, 3, 5.
mag-follow sila.
Follow the lag.
May next mga bata.
First. Thank you very much. So, ibali na rin yan. So, try natin mga kids. Try. No, there's two rules here. All you have to do is to assign us. Alright. Kasi try na rin natin. Ipatry ang mga kuya na explore. Okay, try natin na. After 16 counts, if you feel like I think I need to share my sound, you follow the tempo or beat. Basta timing sa kanila, no? Siguro, siya siguro ang for now, ikaw lang magbigay ng rhythm. Kaya? Sige, anything goes. Una. Isa yung hatang rhythm, yan lang. Pero sige, sa drum, sir na. Ito na lang hatang rhythm. Anything. Silence. Kasali-sali tayo. Repeat lang. Repetition lang, repetition. I-try natin i-apply ito sa ibang instrument, no? Ano mangyari dito sa drum ito more? Tanggalin natin, sir. Tanggalin ito. Siya mag-try? Try natin yung kids. Kuya, ito kuya. Come on, try. Okay, mga kuya, come on. Yeah, wanna try? Kita mo na pasok, medyo costly. Pasok na. Yan. Gawa mo yan. Ikaw ang drummer, ha? Hey, dyan, dyan. Yeah, tayo plate ng sound, ha? Background. Okay. Okay. Magbigay lang. Tingnan natin, no? Person. Try natin. Ay, huwag lang i-hit. Gusto nyo yan ang tempo ninyo? Pwede. You can adjust that. Kung gusto mo lang masyado mabilis o kasisimo. Kaya anong gusto yung tempo? Yan lang? No? Or create na lang yun on your own? Sige. Try natin yung tatlo. Anong improvisation? Shake muna tayo 4 counts. Then you let them explore. Okay, 4, 3, 2, shake! very much. Pasok ka dito. Who's ready? Who's ready? Come on! Gusto ko mag-try yung isa. Ayan na. Mag-drums. Drums, ha? Pwede man, ganito lang para... I wanna join, kuya. Baka. Ay, dito ka sa front. Kuya. Bala na doon. You can play anywhere there. Okay. Mauna mo na si ate. Ikaw muna mauna. Okay, silence. Wait, na ha? Sabi mo lang. Ready? Go. Okay. That's good. One sound is good. Repetition. Yamama naguwan. Huwag na ito good. This time we will try to delay yung merong slow motion ng movement. Para ka nanonood ng Chinese Kung Fu. Yeah! Ganun ha? Slow ang beat ha. Parang drag natin siya natin slow motion. Ready? Start kuya, go!
No.
Good, nice. Continue. Sabayan natin, i-delay natin ang music. you very much. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, another, pwede na rin iba na naman, di ba mag-perform? Thank you very much. Yeah, ano, gusto siya mag-shaker? Oh, sige, so mga, how about the parents? Challenge! Try natin. Once. Sir, try natin, sir. Dito tayo, ano?
Kit.
Sir, sir, masin ka.
Dapat ba?
Sila mag-leave, sabayan ko sila. Kuya, kaya natin sila, sir, ha? Okay, wala na mag... Ma'am, dito ma'am. Stick ko na. Ma'am, pwede na dito ma'am. Ayun po, hindi po pwede ma'am sa bahay ma'am. Ito,
Only one lang na. Matiwid na lang. Yay!
Yeah, wanna try this one? Ayun po, sabayin niyo natin.
I just keep on, keep on.
Ay, ito sir, okay na po. Okay, another improvisation. Ito kuya. Just go for the... Okay, kuya, magbigay ng rhythm ha. They will follow you. Ladies and gentlemen, registration. The now. The now, it's just listen to it. Okay, go. Relayan mo siya sir.
We're done.
Sige, yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, this time, magbigay ako ng beat, tapos sabayan natin ha. Yes, explore mo na siya lang. Sige lang, sige lang. Nasa flow na siya. Sige. Sige, dala mo na sa drum, sir. Sige, ako muna anytime na pasok tayo. Kaya, try natin. Sabay ha. Thank you very much. We need to stop. Okay, we have another set for another group. So, in behalf of our sponsors, the isang bagsak para sa La Herencia, Patio. Marami tayong bagsak. Maraming salamat para sa Group 74. Salamat ng Archie, Helping Archie, si Bagani at si Nolona. The parents and friends and the kids.
There's more. Wag muna natin ano. I just want to inform everyone na birthday ni Sir Noy. Baka naman.
Ay, naglimos naman po. Anyway, kung okay. Ay, ma'am, i-check na ako, ma'am. Para makapagay kami sa next step. Silence, please. Okay.
Oo.